Come here.
I've called him.
You called him.
Mikey, up. Hi, baby.
Who's excited to be in our video?
Mikey, go away. It's girl talk. It's
Not
for
good.
girls.
You are not good. Mikey.
If you want, you can sit here, baby.
Tell them just like and subscribe. Everyone's fitting in the frame, no? Can you see? I can't see.
I can see.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bhavya if you're new here, and today I'm here with the girls.
Hello.
Hi.
Introduce yourselves.
Hi, my name is Prachi.
I'm Madhulika.
I'm Karishma.
And we're back with Girl Talk episode 3 because you guys love this series, and quite honestly we love filming it too. It's become like our yearly ritual. Because even though the older we grow, not wiser, as Mother Teresa said, but we try. Anyway, so we're gonna quickly dive in. Don't forget to go down in the description, check out all of our socials, and let's get started with this video. Okay, question number 1. Today Ananya is asking us all of the questions. We have a host.
What's the worst pickup line you've heard?
I did not prepare.
I mean,
That's the whole point. Like, you have to say what comes to your mind.
the Dubai one, right?
There are so many Dubai ones.
We had gone to Five Palm
Yeah.
and there was this man who came up to us.
Ugly man.
Ugly man.
Don't say that. Don't say that.
So ugly is very, that's okay. Yeah, so this man, random man, creepy man comes up to us. He tells us, you're the prettiest mother-daughter duo I have ever seen.
Like,
That's gonna get...
I don't know why.
Thought process is...
Why would you say that? Like, who are you hitting on?
That's what?
Like, even if we were mother and daughter,
Hypothetically,
why would I get my daughter to Five Palm with
He
me?
knew that we weren't. He was just trying to be smart. But like, what's smart about that?
Yeah, and like we would be like, what? Like, oh my god, thank you so much. Let's go to your hotel room. Like, what? Like, what is your thought process? Like, we literally, me and Madhulika, like, he's right in front of us, and we're looking at each other and like, he's so stupid. What did he say? Like, he's so
Yeah, we
stupid.
said
Like, we're having
that
a full
in front of
conversation
him.
in front of him. On that same day, another guy came to us and he said, you're either really rich or you're really poor because Indians are like that.
Meaning?
So
What
is
is
she supposed to be like,
I'm so turned on by you right now. Like, okay.
Do
like,
better.
took me out.
Do better. Do better. Karishma.
These are the
So, you know,
Telugu
my
people.
surname is Dora, right?
Yeah.
Someone called me Karishma Adorable.
That's not bad.
Yeah.
Like, if someone
I don't
told
like
you,
that.
like, I've been looking for Dora my whole life. Say, I should have been a man. Like, what are the men doing?
I really can't connect on Insta. I got a girlfriend back home. She might get suspicious.
Moving on. That's a drop-off line. That's not a pickup line.
You are so adorable. God, those lips. I bet they taste good. You look so lively.
Thank you.
Y'all need help. Seek
Lively.
therapy. Say nothing. Say less. Moving on. Next question.
What's the best date you've ever been on?
Oh, this is cute.
The best means I have to pick up from the word.
Yeah, like best out of waste.
The best one would be the one where I went ice skating and sushi.
Oh.
That was my idea. That was my idea.
Yeah, me and Karishma had gone to
idea.
Delhi together and we were on
That was best
own
because
dates.
we decided that. Okay,
Yeah.
we made that date.
Yeah, because it was a girl planned date.
I don't know what is
What
best
would I say?
date.
Like one date that stands out because I mean you have a boyfriend, so you have many dates. But like,
Yeah,
Exactly.
but it's like it's been 5 years. I don't know. Every time we go out, it is.
Aww.
The highway looks good
Yes,
right
yes.
now to lie down.
We all aspire to be there in life someday. Meanwhile,
Next question.
no, you have to share your best date. I don't even know my best date.
Exactly.
Like my best date was with.
She does not have any best date, guys.
I mean, it was.
Bare minimum लेके ही खुश हो जाती
That
है.
was
Yours could be with. Nah.
That was one-sided date. I think he was just hanging out with
That
her.
is a different thing, but that could be.
Means the date was
I
happening in
feel
her
like
head
I
also.
had some really nice date that we just don't remember. Okay. It was bad. Okay, totally.
What happened?
What did you do?
Please tell Janta what
Because
happened.
it's the last time I felt butterflies. It was a last minute plan, or it was one day before Valentine's Day, and we'd been talking for like a week feigns butterflies.
I'm not feeling the butterflies even
Talking
listening to her.
feigns. Now I had to get to Bandra in like half an hour. I could not travel by car that day because it was really crowded. So I decided I'm going to take the local trains. And I did not know how to take the local trains that day. I really wanted to wear a cute outfit, so like a mini skirt. So I wore pants on top of my skirt and I went because I was like, I'll take it off. Like the plan was I'll get down at Bandra station, I'll take a cab and I'll go to the location where we're supposed to meet. So in the backseat of the cab I can just take off the pants and put it in my bag and then my outfit will be cute like a Anyway, so I got lost on Bandra station, okay, because I couldn't figure out Bandra East, Bandra West.
She will cut out this whole story because there is nothing best about it.
No, he came to Bandra station. I got into the back seat of his car. I took off my pants. Then I came to the front, and then he was so shocked. Like he was like, "What did you just do?" Like, and I was like, "It's my outfit." Like
Complete
you know,
career.
like I have to look cute. And he was like, "This is the craziest shit like I've ever seen." And anyways, that day I couldn't even talk. Like I was so infatuated with him. I couldn't talk. There were no words. I just had butterflies. It was cute.
Yawn.
Actually, this is very bare minimum. I'm so sorry. Like the standard, the standard is on the Ullu bar. No, actually, it's fine. The story is my first best.
That's what. Like,
If you want to see my first date, I'm linking this vlog. You can go watch it. It was great. According to him, it was not a date, but for me, it was. Next question.
How to feel content when you're single and you crave physical affection?
I mean,
Yeah.
you shouldn't be with someone just because you crave physical affection.
Yeah, I think like I understand the feeling of needing to be with someone, especially like you know those cute like reels pop up in your feed.
Yeah.
Yeah, as somebody who cannot be attracted to someone physically if I'm not emotionally attached, it's like a vicious cycle.
Demisexual.
And it's not worth it. Like you do it with someone, then you're not attracted to emotionally, and then you feel like used and like.
For me, it's like just go on a date. Like just find someone to go on a date with. If it's
That's the problem, Prachi.
That's the temporary, solution to it.
You need to be close to people who genuinely love you, who are also equally interested in seeing you grow, and then keep working on yourself. And these other thoughts will come and go, but you should be
Yeah,
the
like
priority.
wait it out. You will find your person.
Yeah.
Would you keep something from your partner if you knew it would hurt them?
Yes, for a little bit. I personally need to process the information first so that I can say it in a good
Yeah.
manner, and then
the
Shit,
time
my
and
God.
way to say it. Then.
yeah.
If they need to know it, then you have to say
Yeah.
it, right?
Otherwise, white
yeah.
lies are good.
Yeah, I don't know anything. I tell everything.
White lies, for example, I'm just saying your secret single behavior, as Carrie Bradshaw says.
We can say all of this, but we want to know what everything that our partner is doing. Like even if he kept out like a secret, like I met this ex because like nothing happened, but I just met her for coffee and I didn't tell you because like it would create an issue. Like I would create the issue. Like the issue would be massive.
Yeah,
Like
because if you're keeping something from them, that means you think it's problematic.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Again, there's a way and time to say
Exactly.
There's a way.
it's
yeah.
the way you tell. I don't think you should keep anything from your partner. Just say
If you
it in
think you
the
have
best
to
way
be-
you can. Just
Yeah.
be honest, because if you ruin the foundation of honesty, your relationship is.
And if you think you can't tell something to your partner, that means
First, go
That's
to
a
your friends for
communication
third
gap.
person.
Don't go to your friends.
don't go to your
Don't go
friends.
to their friends.
please.
Yeah, like
First,
I don't go to yours, then fine.
you can come to us after you have spoken with the man.
no, because nobody knows
That's
your
what I did,
relationship.
no?
What's the one delusion that you believe will come true?
Fake it till you make it.
We believe we can do everything when we are together. And we end up doing whatever we wanted to do. So
I mean, mine is like
Fully.
so
Entire life is based on delusion.
Ever since I was in 6th grade, I believe, like, I know, like, I would date Aryan Khan. Like, everybody knows this. Like, even like my 6th grade class teachers know this. Like, I've always been like, yeah, I'm gonna date Aryan Khan. Like, I mean, I do believe it. Like, it's not.
yeah, she believed
I'm
me.
just saying
Yeah.
nazar lag jayega, so that's why I don't.
Bro, I mean, if there's anyone who believes it, it is her. Okay, please. If there's anyone who supports all of the delusions, it is her.
I want to get second-hand experience.
So she learns from Bhavya's mistakes.
Yeah, we all learn from Bhavya's mistakes.
Yeah, but the only thing is like if he's not nice, then like I'll be really sad about it. Like if
Yeah,
he's
like
not
the entire
human,
build-up in head will
Explode on
Yeah.
your face.
which probably will happen. But
Till then, stay delusional. One delusion that I believe will come true is that I'm gonna marry an Arab.
now, which Arab have you met?
I have met
Arab.
Which Arab have you met?
Oh my god.
But you've not met like an Arab. There's
Arab.
like Indian Arabs who are in India. Like they're not
Yeah.
like Arabs.
No, not Indian Arabs. What are you saying?
No, I'm saying like you don't actually have an experience with an Arab. Like that might change. We can't put this on. But
I don't know what's appropriate delusion है मेरा.
Actually, we believe all our delusions will come true. There is no delusion of ours that we think is far-fetched. We think they're all achievable only.
How to deal with men in the workplace who trade sexual favors for work/promotions?
What the fuck?
I thought it would be helpful.
Can you repeat? I did not
Okay.
process also.
No.
How do you deal means what? You don't even look at them. You ignore their existence.
No!
It always ends in a wrong way.
Yeah, like what are you gonna do? Tell
If
the
you wanna
HR?
stay in the
The
place
HR
for
is
a long
probably
time.
banging that person.
Otherwise, you are.
What if he blackmails?
It's not that easy. Men in part think they can do whatever they
So
want.
it's a wrong question to ask. We don't know.
The truth of it is, if you let it happen, it's gonna happen to a lot more other people because
Yeah.
he's gonna continue this behavior and he's probably gonna keep expecting it from you as well. So it's not gonna end right there. Like you're not gonna give the favor and get the promotion and your life will be happy. Like
It's not gonna end there.
it's a vicious cycle. Like, you
Yeah,
have
yeah.
to find another way. Otherwise, record him saying all this and then black him.
But that's
black
not
him.
legal. It's not legal to record someone if they're not aware of it.
1 second. You don't even need to like take it to the police. Just show it to him. I have your recording. Like.
So then he'll beat you and he'll
Educated.
throw you in Thane Creek. What you do?
I don't think we are the right people for this advice clearly.
We don't
So
do
we shall move on.
Would you move to Dubai or USA for a guy?
Dubai or USA? Yes.
I mean,
Yeah, as long
Now
as he's
to
not
the-
living in
Yeah.
Jhopadpatti, we are okay.
If he's providing, then sure.
Are we talking green card? Are we talking green card? Like,
I think so.
if he's a good guy, yeah. If he's like 3-4 wife types, no.
What do you mean a good guy?
You love him, he's nice, maybe he's gay. That's great. Or maybe you have a strict family. He's gay from a
Yes.
conservative family.
Yeah.
He needs a showpiece wife.
Ibrahim?
Who is Ibrahim?
Dubai bling?
Yeah, exactly.
Correct.
Yeah.
Are you and Ibrahim looking for a
You
wife?
can't say that.
उसके comment section में देख
वही
सबने
ना।
वही बोला है।
हाँ तो you can't say that, Bhavya.
I'm not saying she said.
But are you sure you would uproot your life here and
What life is there? It's uprooted.
But what if you?
It depends on the situation, but quite honestly, if you gave me an option to get up and leave Bombay, I would take it any day. It's Honey Singh said ना,
क्या बोला उसने?
दो कपड़ों में जोड़ी और दो
अच्छा,
जोड़ों
ये-
में दो जोड़ों में कपड़े भेजो लड़की हुई हमारी दो जोड़ों में लड़की भेजो
Yeah.
No! दो जोड़ों में लड़की भेजो लड़की हुई हमारी अंकल घर है पैसा है गाड़ी
हाँ हाँ it is
लड़की
that
हुई हमारी,
only.
yeah,
आप
yeah,
दो
yeah.
जोड़ों में लड़की
हाँ
भेजो.
exactly. If you're offering this love dose by Honey Singh,
I would miss vada pav.
next question.
Give me your number.
911.
Oh my god, whitewashed.
911, what's your
In an emergency, all of us were 911. What does that even dial in India?
We don't say 100, say your emergency.
That doesn't sound cool. Like 911 sounds so like.
Affordable makeup products for college girlies.
Maybelline foundation is amazing.
Yeah,
Amazing.
And Nykaa's primer is great. The Maybelline lifter gloss, so good.
Oh, that is so good.
Such a good gloss. I lost mine, but going to replace it ASAP.
Sky high.
Mascaras are
Yeah.
really
Yeah.
good. I have this one lipstick. It's from Inside Cosmetics and I got it in an emergency because I forgot my lipsticks and we like blinked at it. It was so good. It's in the shade Sophia. I think Inside Cosmetics. 290 rupees. Changed my life. Love that.
Your go-to brand for gym clothes.
Urbanic?
She
Kika.
organic.
I order from H&M.
HRX has good stuff. Kika has good stuff. Aloe is good.
How do you know if your friends are snakes or not?
Depends. क्या उनके छाती पे सांप रेंगते हैं?
They
हाँ,
have, like,
रेंगते हैं।
scales. They have- But I mean, according to me, if people take you for granted, if they don't respect your time,
Quite honestly, I just sense a fake person.
Same.
It's years of experience and trauma.
But you learn. You still learn.
yeah, you learn.
You
Obviously, but if you don't learn, if you don't use your experience, then you're just stupid.
If someone has gone behind your back once, they're gonna do it again. Don't give them a redemption arc. It usually does not work out.
It does not.
People do not change like that. If they're talking about someone else at the table and
they
you
are
leave
not
the table,
present
they're gonna
also.
talk about
Yeah.
you. Like I have those kind of friends, and I'm okay with that. I've made peace with that people, and they're my social friends, my clubbing
Yeah, they're like
friends.
just social friends. Yeah.
Yeah, you don't share much with them. You
When I see other people have fun, I get FOMO and start feeling bad.
Please go out and have fun.
That's
It's not
what-
that
Like,
too
what's
much.
stopping you?
It is
Parents, like people have strict parents. Your time will come. During school, we used to not go out. You're not allowed to go far,
Yeah,
and you're not
yeah.
allowed to go on trips. And other people were going on trips and going out. And
So,
having
like,
fun.
opportunity.
The older we grew a little bit, our parents gave us that kind of freedom and
Yeah.
like our time came, but then we did so much. We did too much. Now we're bored of it. Everyone's working on their own timeline. Don't look at other people.
Should possessiveness be normalized in a relationship?
Yes, I guess.
No.
She's
not.
possessive.
Excuse me.
Please, you are misdefinition.
Oh my
of
god. Yeah.
I am
possessive.
not.
Okay.
I'm
Putting
not.
keychain on Tahir's bag, a girl keychain, so that nobody ever
I gave it
near
to him
him.
because it's cute. It's not. I'm not possessive. Neither is he.
He's-
It's a healthy relationship. Hello.
It's a healthy possessive, bro.
There is no healthy possessive. Possessive is always bad. That means you have no trust in your relationship.
That's
That's sad.
jealousy. If he's not possessive, he does not love you.
Yeah. There is no healthy possessive. Possessive is always bad.
Gaslighting individuals. Not the possessive that like you can't wear this outside. Like
Ew.
if you're wearing this outside, I'm coming with you. It can't be like मैं तुम्हें दरवाजे में lock like
A little jealousy.
he's looking at you. I'm gonna break his face, but doesn't really break it. Like just.
We are mental, actually.
Actually, we are mentally ill. Please don't take our advice. I love a nice possessive man, so like I can't be saying anything.
But she also cannot be with a possessive man for a very long time.
It can get suffocating if someone takes it to the extreme.
You can't go out, starts crying. Like that's not.
You have a problem if they go out with their friends.
If a girl is hitting on him, I would just come and like kiss him on the cheek and be like, you know, I wouldn't like go break a glass bottle on her head, you know, like
I'll
the
never-
next step. That's the next step.
What to do when a guy calls you mid?
We have no experience in this. Sorry.
If a guy calls you mid,
Honey,
you break
he's
their
a
face.
guy. We don't take that shit from any guy. Like not even Aryan Khan. He will be buried in the middle of the fucking earth if he says that to me.
Come back.
If someone calls us mid, there will be
Shakal to
one
butter
with a
jaisi
knife and 3 with a shovel. No, galat ghar. Like no.
Just walk away because
Just say, Teri maa mid.
No,
This
no,
is-
no, don't say that.
Can
And how can he call you mid?
अभी बंगाली में गाली देगी
Shak chunni.
What does that mean?
Bal means balls.
Balls.
Can I put that? Like is that
No, it is very offensive in
I
Bengali.
mean, it's just balls.
No, it is-
Bengali people do find it offensive.
Do I have Bengali viewers?
I think I'm the only Bengali viewer you have.
oh, there must be people.
Bengali viewers, comment down below. Comment fish emojis.
That's so not racist.
Okay, next question.
Stop irritating.
You love
Somebody
me.
just said-
You love me.
How do you guys balance the word hard play, harder life?
Work hard, play hard life. Being realistic, there is no balance as such. You just have to, like, life is like a roller coaster. You have to keep improvising.
Yeah,
We are trying. Before our 9 to 5 like corporate girly life, we
Yeah.
were out on Tuesdays, like Thursdays, like 6 a.m.
Party
7
girls.
party. Yeah, like our party girl era was insane. Now we like we pick one day of the weekend, you know, like Friday or Saturday. मुश्किल से Sunday तो जाएंगे नहीं, वो Monday काम है. We try like one day a week. We must go out.
Yeah.
Keep the party girl alive.
Throwback to the first girl talk ever about the boyfriend and the best friend drama. I dumped him.
Congratulations,
Sugar advice.
Kylie. Good for you.
I'm horrible with Ananya.
Mikey is happy for you.
Mikey's also happy.
No, relax. Relax.
You will have to put that.
Last question. Why do guys cheat?
They cheat because they can.
The whole universe is trying to figure that out.
Yeah.
There's no answer to that.
Dogs lick their balls because they can. So men cheat because they can. That's the only logic here.
Exactly.
No, but then why? Even women can.
And
Tate has good explanations for this.
Whatever it is, it's not about you.
It's not ever about it. It's
him.
never about. We were
Yeah.
watching the
Everything
Victoria's
wrong with
Secret
him.
fashion show yesterday, and we saw Bihati Prince Lou walk down the runways. Beautiful woman, like oh my god.
Angel.
And her
Jaw-dropping.
husband cheated on her, like Adam Levine. What have you done? She could be a Victoria's Secret angel, and he would still cheat. Like that explains
never
it's
on you.
never about the woman. You can be the hottest woman in the world. He's gonna cheat. Like
Life goes on.
life goes on. With that, we come to the end of Girl Talk episode 3. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope that you learned something from our great advice minds.
The way we give advice hasn't changed since the first Girl Talk.
I said older but never wiser. I think we give pretty good advice. Someone literally took our advice and they changed their life. How can you say this? Hello?
One.
Yeah,
Oh, it always takes one.
yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, like even if advice changes the life of one person, it's worth it. And she has a
Stay
side degree,
delusional.
by the way. So
Yeah,
like we are quite like actually we have like credibility. And she is one of us. So like we all share a brain cell. So it is all of us. Thank you for watching, and we shall see you
Next year.
next year.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye. What the?
Okay, happy llama, sad llama, mentally disturbed llama, super llama, drama llama,
Big fat mama llama.